there will be so much scope in this field. In future, it will be the ever-growing field. For me, at that time, VLSI was just about the learning Verilog and VHDL because that's all I know at that time. And even though I was so confident that I know VLSI and I am like, okay, now I can enter the VLSI industry very easily. But then my senior introduced me with the Puneet sir, and there I got to know about the VLSIexpert.com also. And it was like, you can say, it was a turning point where I got to know that whatever I know is nothing. Because when I came in contact with Puneet sir, then I got to know that what topics I have left in my academics because I am not understanding them, that are actually important for VLSI industry. But Puneet sir is such a motivating personality that he told me that just begin from here. He even told me that to Google the things, write the things in this manner. So after getting in contact with Puneet sir and after having a training, I got to know that there is a big difference between the industrial perspectives and in the academics. Here we met many people from the industry also. Initially, I was not like that I can ask any question to any professional. When we met with the first professional at our training, then we were not knowing that what to ask. But now we are at the stage that we actually know that okay, these are the profiles. We can ask these things, and we can talk about in the terms of the tools. We can talk about in the terms of the technicality, and that's all because we are now aware of the things. We are aware of the terminologies, and so we can put it in front of them. So that is the biggest change I have observed in myself after doing the training. Till date, each and every professional who have counseled us is saying the same thing. The key to enter into the VLSI industry is the fundamentals and the basics. So we need to develop the fundamentals and basics first, and then we can think of going into any of the field there. I am connected with Puneet sir from the last few months, and I was managing my college study also along with it, and we are having the weekend classes with Puneet sir. So it was quite difficult at times because we have to manage the projects, we have to manage the academics and the percentage as well to enter into the VLSI industry. But what it takes is your interest. If you are interested in it, then you will be doing it you will be doing anyhow.